Annyeonghaseyo, Patrick.
Annyeonghaseyo, Tusal.
Okay, start.
Bikes, bombs, and butts. It was wartime and I was 8 years old. Everyone in our gang had bikes. Everyone except my friend Barry and me. The gang didn't have new bikes. You couldn't buy new bikes in the war because nobody made them. Everybody was too busy making bombs and aeroplanes, but all our gang had second-hand bikes, all except Barry and me. Every night we were left out while the gang rode up and down the street. We just stood by the lamppost and watched.
Okay, so nakasabot kasi may basa? Okay. So karon is kamaon naman ka mo basa, move na ka sa level 2. Okay, fluent naman ka mo basa ng English. Level 2 na ka. Starting Monday. Monday, level 2 na ka ha. Unsay oras sa level 2?
5:30.
5:30 to 6:30. Okay? Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida.
So, annyeonghaseyo, Jimar. So, you have an idea nga nung nagkuha kong video ni mo? Because you're absent, no? You have now 2 absent. Yesterday, I know the class yesterday start 10 a.m. kay exam ninyo. But then, wala ka gapahibalo niya. Wala sa... Ang class na to gahapon is gimove na ko sa evening. Kaysa man mo ni join mo sa evening session. But then, you told na wala ka kabalo kay wala kay cellphone. Wala ka kabalo sa GC. Okay. So, karon ay mong buhaton, you have 2 absent na for this month. So, paningkamuti nga di ka ka-absent until the end of the month, ha? Para dili ka matangtang. Willing ka magkaka, attend diri sa study room class. Okay. So, ako nang giad imong auntie para naa kay active GC. O niya, kung naa kay importante lakton or masayo ka sa school, ina imong auntie nga pachato nako or ni Teacher Mildred. Ha? Para dili ka ma-considered as absent. Okay? Nagkasinabot na ta dong? Okay. So, maura to, paningkamuti nga dili ka ka-absent. Anyways, 24, no? 24. So, we have still 6 days, ha? Nga di ka ka-absent sa 6 days. Ana, okay? Okay, bye, Jimar. Thank you. Cleaning for our study room. ni 9. Mas dako ba si 9 kaysa ni 8? Yes. So, pwede gamitin dili. Dili isa na to. Kahigot si 6. Ari sa ka sa 9. Sa may i-times na to ni 8. Nga, mahimong makuha na to sa 9. Nga, doon ni 9. So, ito i-times ni 8. Dahil kung mag-8 plus 8, pila man? Di ba 16? O dilapas na kayo. Pero 8 ra alone. Kaya di. Kaya. Ito na to si 1 di. 8 times 1. 8. Minus na to. 9 minus 8.
It is color yellow. This is an apple. It is color red.
Again, this is
an apple.
it
It
is
is
color
color red.
Your turn.
This is an apple. It is color red. This
This is a worm.
worm. It is color green.
Green. Again,
This
this is a worm.
worm.
It
It
is color green. Your turn.
This is a worm. It is color green.
Annyeonghaseyo, Mary Kate. Okay, so our topic is all about formal and informal language. So, as you can see in the board, nakag-write with regards of the definitions of formal language or informal language. So, you will answer for the activity number 1 and 2.
Your hair looks very nice today.
Okay, very good. It is informal because it is a personal, no? Personal situation. Okay, for number 2,
I haven't eaten a thing for a while.
okay. Okay, Mary Kate, so please erase number 2 because informal gihapon ang atong answer. Since it is also a casual conversation or a personal letter situation. Okay, very good, Mary Kate. Annyeonghaseyo, Casey. Okay, so you will answer for number 3 and 4. Okay? Very good. For number 3, it is informal. It is a casual conversation and a personal. Okay? And the relaxed tone for is appropriate. Okay, for number 4, very good, formal, because it is a professional setting academic and official. Kaya nga no, naamte greetings. Ni Ana Mandra, good morning. My name is Johan. Okay, very good. So, nakagets na rin sa formal language and informal language. Okay, thank you, Casey. Lingkod na.
So this is my L1 students. One of them is absent. So there are only 3. Criselda is absent because she has a toothache. So they are reviewing test questionnaires, exams, test papers given by their subject teachers, advisor, under advisor. So tonight we're not going to have a class because tomorrow is their second day of exam. Today is their first day. So from L1, L2, and L3, so we will let them review their subjects for tomorrow's exam. So this is my L2 students. So I told them to bring their notebooks, test papers, or any types of notes so that they can review for their subjects tomorrow. And this is my L2 class. So this is my L3 students. So Stephanie is absent today because she has a fever. So only 5 of my L3 students are here. So they are now reviewing their subjects. Other students, their notes are in their cell phones, so I let them use their cell phones. So Christine asked me if she can borrow that tab, so I let her borrow that tab for review purposes only. So this is Ruby or BBK. This is Christine, Paolo, and Chinmay, and Legion.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Okay. Question. When do we need to brush our teeth?
Every 3 times a day.
Okay, every day, 3 times a day. So now let's practice and brush our teeth and make sure that we will brush our teeth every day. Let's start. Okay. Ipakita ko na ba. Show your beautiful teeth. Okay. Asa yung beautiful teeth? Okay. Alright. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.